Hello YouTube, what is a body check and why it can save your life? Nothing bothers me, so I won't go to the clinic, that's what a lot of people say. As a result, every year about 140,000 Ukrainians learn about a terrible diagnosis, oncology. Only a routine examination and diagnosis will help identify the disease and save lives, as well as protect against the development of cardiovascular diseases or diabetes. What is a checkup of the whole body and why is it important to undergo an annual examination, said anti-age therapist, cardiologist. What is a medical check? Let's understand the concepts. In translation from English, checkup means check. A medical checkup is a comprehensive examination of the whole body, thanks to which you will find out your state of health in just a few hours. It practically takes 3-4 hours. After 2-3 days, all tests will be ready. The patient comes for a second consultation, at which the therapist gives appropriate recommendations for correction, if necessary, pharmaceutical or herbal preparations, and to correct deficiencies, vitamin complexes, including vitamin D3. Checkups can be both general and narrowly focused, in-depth. For example, if you have complaints about the work of specific organs or your family has cases of heart disease, diabetes, oncology, etc. Why you need to check. The fact that you feel well does not mean that you are completely healthy. Many dangerous and not very diseases in the early stages are asymptomatic. You can identify them only with a comprehensive examination of the body, so do not miss the chance to identify their problem at the initial stage. So you will undergo treatment with minimal effort and cost. If you have unreasonable or vague symptoms, such as constant fatigue, dizziness, frequent headaches or SARS, sleep problems, etc., you may think it will pass, but imagine for a moment what will happen if it does not pass. So find out the cause and fix the problem before it gets worse. After passing the check, you will receive doctor's recommendations on how to improve your health and improve your well-being. If a full examination reveals any violation, you can treat it in a timely manner, avoiding more serious problems in the future. If you have a history of hereditary or chronic diseases, such as if your mother or father had colon cancer, then you should have a colonoscopy 10 years before the age at which they were diagnosed with cancer. At the first consultation with a doctor, the likelihood of genetic risk factors is discussed. Based on the results of such a conversation, it is determined which diagnostics should be emphasized. You should also understand the difference between the norm and the optimal deviation of certain indicators when taking tests. For example, vitamin D3 has a lower limit of the norm, 30. If the patient has an indicator of 31, the doctor can say that this norm and there are no deviations. But an indicator of less than 30 is already a risk of disease. Therefore, in my work I try to achieve indicators within the optimal limits. What does the check give? The main advantage of a checkup examination is the early, timely diagnosis of many dangerous and even fatal diseases. An example is breast cancer, which is curable in almost 100% of cases during timely diagnosis, and early diagnosis of diabetes and diseases of the cardiovascular system can save your life. The second major benefit is convenience. All analyses, studies and consultations will be carried out by specialists of one clinic with maximum comfort and in a short time. The recommended frequency of passing the check of the body depends on age, gender, lifestyle, past pathologies, hereditary predisposition to life-threatening human diseases. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.